Hello and welcome to glowstrung.com. This is the 180 3-beat weave tutorial. This is what the 180 3-beat weave looks like. Alright. Now obviously in order to learn this move you need to know the forward and reverse weave. So if you don't know that, go back, stop the video, go back and learn those. Alright, it'll really help if you're very proficient in these moves. If not, you're going to want to work on those two moves before you actually try and learn this. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to want to work on is actually getting into the weaves from this position right here. Alright, so put your hands out in front of you and far enough apart that your glow sticks aren't really touching, and spin counterclockwise and spin in split time motion, just like this. Alright? Now what you're going to do is, okay, I'm facing you right now. What you're going to do is get into the forward weave by turning left, and you're going to turn 90 degrees, and you're going to get into the weave. Alright, now how you do that, well, first off, I'll show you what it looks like. It looks just like that. It's fairly simple. All you do is, when the right glow stick is just about at the top of the circle, and the right glow stick, or sorry, the left glow stick is just about at the bottom of the circle, that's when you throw your right hand over the left and to the left side of your body and get into the weave. So it's just like this. Right hand over the left, right into it. You're going to want to practice this, get it down so you have it really well. And once you have that down, the next thing you want to work on is getting into it into reverse. So you're going to be spinning the same direction, same split time and everything, and it's going to be the same timing when the right glow stick is just about at the top and the left glow stick is just about at the bottom of the circle. What you're going to do is turn 90 degrees to the right, and you're going to throw your left hand under your right and go right to the right side of your body to get into the weave. Alright, so facing you, spinning split time, and throw the left hand under, do the weave. Alright, you're going to want to practice both of these till you have it down really nice and easy. Alright, once you have that down, alright, the next thing we want to work on, well, first off, we want to learn a little bit about the weave. The weave, if you know the hand motions are like this. Alright? If you'll notice, when you get to the right side of your body, your right hand comes to cross over your left. Alright? But if you'll notice, when I start to uncross it, your hands become level with each other, right? You're going to want to keep that in mind, alright? So when you're spinning, when you're doing the 3-beat weave, when you get to the right side of your body, what you want to do is when you get to that point, when your right arm starts to uncross and your hands become level, just stop spinning, alright? So you get right to there, just stop spinning and hold your hands so they're level. And what this is doing is this is going to get us into this position. Alright, well, the first thing we learned right here. So do the weave. Right when your hands get there, you want to turn 90 degrees. Alright? So once you have this down, once you have that down, and pretty much what it is right when you get there, you're turning. It's like you're doing the weave, and your girlfriend or boyfriend is coming in from this angle, and they're coming to surprise you, and you kind of look over and you're like, oh, give me a hug. Alright? So you're just turning and opening your arms for a hug. Alright, once you have that down, you want to try doing it from the reverse. Alright, and you're going to be turning left. It's going to be the same. It's right there. Alright? So you're doing the weave, you get to where your hands are parallel or level to each other and turn. Alright, once you have that down on both sides, you're pretty much halfway there to getting the 180 3-beat weave. What you want to do next is do the forward 3-beat weave, and you want to turn and do the hand thing, but now you want to keep your hands spinning, alright? And just practice that. Just keep practicing till you can keep your hands spinning just like that. Alright, and you should be able to, since the first thing we learned is getting into the forward weave from this motion right here, you shouldn't have to, you know, stop and then get into the weave however you normally do. You should be able to turn and just keep turning. So right now you should be able to do a pretty much 90-degree 3-beat weave. Alright? So what you want to try doing is maybe turn, do 3 spins, and then get back into the weave. Maybe do 1 weave motion, do 2 spins, you know, keep cutting down the time, or keep cutting down how many spins you do in between till you can just turn like this and do 1 spin on each side. Alright? Once you have this down, you're getting very close to getting the whole move. What you want to do is do it from this side now. Do it from reverse. Do the reverse weave, turn, and keep spinning. Alright? And then get back into the reverse weave. Alright, do it a couple times. You know, really get this down. Alright, and keep cutting it down until you're doing 1 spin right in front of you and you're just doing the weave once on the one side. Alright, so once you have that down on both sides, you can pretty much put it all together. You're going to be turning, obviously you're facing this way, doing the forward weave, you turn right and you get right into the reverse weave. And then you turn left and get right into the forward weave. So what it is you're doing the forward weave, you turn for that 90 degrees, and then you throw your hand right under. Alright? Just like reverse, you turn 90 degrees and throw your right hand right over. So you don't really want to throw that spin in there like I am right now. While you're practicing or first learning this move, throwing that extra spin in there might help, but try not to do it too much because you might get too used to that. Pretty much what you want to do is you're doing the forward weave and you go to that hug spot. Right when you get to the hug is right when you throw your left hand under to do the reverse weave. So it's hug, nope, I'm going to do the reverse weave. You're doing a reverse weave, you go hug, oh no, just kidding, I'm going to go do the weave some more. Alright, so that is the 180 3-beat weave.